Hey there! Welcome! In this video, we will show you how to ensure network security for CommPeak services you use by applying IP or country restrictions at my.compeak.com. You will learn how to set up IP restrictions for your SIP account, how to whitelist IP addresses to access your PBX and make VoIP calls, what to do if you have a dynamic IP address, and how to allow access from IPs from specific countries. In my.compeak.com, you can set the IP ACL or IP Access Control List for your SIP account and for your PBX separately. To apply IP-based access restrictions for your SIP account, go to VoIP services in the main menu and select SIP accounts. Here, select the account you need and edit it. You can find further instructions in the video by the link. Now, we will see in detail how you can limit access to your PBX. Click Cloud PBX in the main menu and go to PBX Instances. Next, select the PBX instance you'd like to view. Click the Firewall Settings icon and you will see a panel appear on the right. On the Web Access ACL tab, you can whitelist IPs allowed to access your PBX, PBX stats, and dialer websites. The SIP Access ACL tab is for whitelisting specific IP addresses for SIP registration and calls. On both tabs, settings work in the same way. Create a list of allowed IPs by adding them in the box and clicking on the plus sign. Then save the changes. Later, you can use the toggle switch to disable the IP or click the trash icon to delete the IP from the list. Please remember that you can use this method only if you have a static IP address. What if your IP has a dynamic address? It keeps changing over and over again, so it can get rejected. A fixed name server address is a good solution in this case. Learn more how to get it by the link on the screen. You can then set up ACL in the same way. Type the server address, which should be a fully qualified domain name, and click on the plus icon. After you click Save Changes, the address appears in the access list. Want to whitelist an entire country, allowing any IP from it? Just add that country on the right under Geo ACL. You can scroll down and select the desired country or simply begin typing the name. It will appear below. The toggle switch will also help you adjust the list of countries according to your needs. After configuring your settings, don't forget to save your changes. That's it! Now you are fully protected against unauthorized access and can use your SIP account and PBX safely. See you in our next video guides!